It's weird that I spent all this money, I spent all this time making it shiny and shit, always cleaning it off, always doing this, just for the off chance that some other dude's gonna like it. I think this is one of the gayest things I own.
Good morning, my neighbors! Here's what it actually looks like when a biker can't ride his motorcycle. Part 1. Hey dude, I'm gonna go throw my gear on and then I'm heading out for a ride. I'll be back in a bit. I would check the weather first, cause dude, it's snowing outside. It's snowing outside. Snowing outside. Snowing outside. No.
A few moments later.
Hey, you haven't left your room in like 4 hours. What's your plan for today? Do you want to go out and do something? We can do something later. I'm actually keeping myself occupied right now by building Legos. Oh, nice. You finally figured out something to do outside of motorcycles. Awesome. Yeah, totally. Just want to keep up with my other hobbies, you know? Hey, so what are your plans for tonight? I'm just chilling playing Xbox tonight. Oh, nice. What are you playing? I'm actually downloading this new game called Ride 5. It's like the most realistic motorcycle racing game you can get. Jesus Christ. How about we avoid doing this and just like watch a movie instead? Okay. Well, there is a documentary that I've been wanting to watch. It's called The Isle of Man. Oh, okay. What's the documentary about? It's about this really dangerous motorcycle race. Can we do something that's not motorcycle related? How about a board game? There's a board game set behind me. Let's play that. Oh, yeah, I'm down. I actually just bought a board game called Moto Grand Prix. It's where you race around the board on little motorcycles. Jesus Christ. How do you find this stuff? You know what? Never mind. I'm moving out. Good morning, my neighbors!
Situations at the door, so when you step inside, jump on the floor. Let's get it from the
on the section quite interesting.